Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Chaudhary and I'm a data scientist. Today I'm showing you how to install Anaconda Distribution. But first, go to what is actually Anaconda Distribution is. Anaconda is a package manager and environment manager for Python and R data science distribution. It is an amazing collection of scientific packages for Python and R programming language that can be used on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. It used for data science distribution. It make virtual environment and install many data science packages. It's included with Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda Prompt, and Anaconda PowerShell. It have many integrated development environment for both Python and R programming language like Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Visual Studio, and many more. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you ring the bell icon. Now let's start coding. Now search Anaconda, downloads, click on first link. I also share this link in description. Here comes download button. If you have 64-bit graphical installer, then you can download from here. And if you have 32-bit graphical installer, then come to window icon, click on it. Here is 32-bit graphical installer. I already downloaded it, so comes straight to download folder. Double click on it. Here Anaconda installation is start. Click on next, then I accept. Here you have two options: install for you only or for all user which can access your system. I click on just me. This is the default setup location for Anaconda. You can change it from here. Click on next. Here you have two options. First, set up the environment variable path for Anaconda 3. And second, for default Python setup. If you already installed Python in your system, so don't click on this, and for this also. Then click on install. Now click on next. If you want to set up PyCharm also, this is for link. Now click on next. I don't want any tutorials. So now click on finish. Now for open Anaconda, type Anaconda Navigator. Open it. This is the landing page of Anaconda Navigator. You can see there is command prompt, and this is Jupyter Notebook. And there is Rstudio If you want to use it, first install it from here, and PyCharm also. If you want to open the Jupyter Notebook, click on it. If you want to make a Jupyter Notebook, click on it. Here, new Jupyter Notebook is open. You can name it. If you want to run this cell, shift press enter. It's run. Hello world. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you like this video, and if it helps you, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.